Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this all stainless barbecue grill. This is a 42,000 BTU, came with a great instruction guide, was super simple to put together. I want to kind of go over a few of the quick features here with you. One, everything on this grill is built to last, which I really appreciate. You do have the nice cast iron grates in here, and underneath that they do provide you with these, which are nice enamel coated little dispersing units there. But underneath there, that's the meat and potatoes right there. It's fully stainless steel burners, guys. Fully stainless steel surround, fully stainless steel drip. Everything on it is going to be hitting with that grease is completely stainless. They even send you with this, which is a nice griddle that can be moved to any position on there as well. And to start this thing up, it's even got an igniter. If you can hear that on there, you just simply turn your gas, hit the igniter, the blue flames coming out of there. I mean, that is incredible. Just gonna go ahead and light them all on here real quick so you can kind of see all those go. But that's gonna heat up in a hurry, and they do provide you with a thermostat up here to then of course show you where that's gonna end up. So that way, if you're out here, you're gonna be cooking some hot dogs, burgers, whatever, real easy to get that cooked on there so that that can work well with that. Now, you've got a bottle opener here, which is a nice addition. I like that they provide that on here. Stainless steel doors. Down here in your stainless steel doors, you actually have a match holder in case you didn't want to use the electronic ignition. You've got the ability to use a match holder there. Easily holds your tank, probably hold a spare tank. Easy connecting there. On the back side of this thing, again, we'll whip it around because it's on casters. So this is on casters. Two of them do lock. So you have locking casters on the one side, and easy access drip tray. So for any grease, debris that falls down there, you got easy access to a drip tray there, which is really nice. So this is even stainless on the back side, which is really great. This should help with some longevity. Lastly, but certainly not leastly, you also have built-in side burner, which is great. It's 10,000 BTU side burner. Just simply activate that, turn that on, spark it on, and it can come on. You can cook your beans, potatoes, whatever else you want to cook over there. So this is a great little grill. It'll work well in pretty much anybody's home or apartment. Fantastic. It's going to be heating up real nice. We'll be eating real soon. Thanks again, guys, for sending it.